What's up everyone, Brad here on the Money Dad channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Pfizer because I have a price target of $48 previously. I think I'm going to reassess that and make it $47. You'll see later on in the video why I'm reassessing that, but just wanted to give you guys an update because Pfizer has been going basically straight down over the last couple of days. Let's zoom in a little bit here on this price action. You can see it has not been pretty for Pfizer lately. And I know that's been concerning to a lot of the viewers on this channel because I put a price target to the upside, $48 earlier. I think it was 2 weeks ago or a week ago. And a lot of people have been saying, you know, hey man, you said this is going to 48. So I want to clarify a few things on that. So I do see a inverse head and shoulders, which does project upside on the stock. I did make another video following up my original projection saying, hey, these head and shoulders, or reverse head and shoulders anyway, the way that these things work out, you got a shoulder here, you got your head, you got your next shoulder, and then, you know, this one's kind of trending down under this neckline, but typically they will come up and then retest the neckline before going up to that projected price target. Okay, so that's exactly what Pfizer is doing right now to AT. It is coming back down, and I know a lot of people don't want to see that. They're losing a lot of money on this trade, and you know, chart pattern projections are not 100% accurate anyway. Head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders do have a high probability of successfully hitting their target price, but that is after the setup has completed. So on an inverse head and shoulders, the setup is not complete until we come back and retest this neckline and then start heading back up. As soon as we start heading back up from there, that's when we can say, okay, our price target is this, and we have an 87% chance of hitting that price target. It is a great probability of hitting that price target, but it's not 100%. And it's not 87% until we test this neckline and turn back up, okay? We could test this neckline and keep going down from there, and then that will invalidate this chart pattern. I don't see that happening. I do think this is an inverse head and shoulders, and I think we are going to test this neckline and we're going to turn up from there. Yes, we will be turning up. I don't actually know that for certain, but look, this is what I think is going to happen. Don't sue me, bro. I think we're going to test this neckline. Look, we're going to get down to like the $36 range. We're going to hit it, we're going to kiss it, and we're going to turn up and head up. So earlier in the video I said I think I'm going to revise my price target from 48 down to 47. Why is that? Well, I was just remeasuring the head down here, and that because that's how we get our price targets. We measure the depth of the head up to the neckline, and you get $11, right? You can see there 40%, $11.04, and then you take that measurement and you just add it onto the neckline. Well, since we've been trending down a little bit, that's cut into the price projection, right? This neckline keeps coming down slightly because the neckline is trending down on this particular inverse head and shoulders. So if we come down here and kiss this neckline, well, we're going to trend down a little bit, right? So let's say we hit it right here. You add $11.04 from that spot. You come up here, $11.04. I'm not going to hit it perfect, am I? Can I get it perfect? Boom. And you get $47.24. So let's call it $47.24, but I mean, really, that's just a rough estimate when I make these videos. So I would probably play this until about 47 and get out at that point just to be safe. You know, if you guys watch any of my other videos, I like to say, like, I like to be conservative with these price projections just so I can lock in my gains. So we're gonna hit this neckline though. We're gonna turn around, and as soon as we turn around, we get a couple of candlesticks after the kiss to the upside. That's when I would probably look at an entry into a trade here, and then I would target that $47 range. So that's what I see on Pfizer right now. I know that means that there's going to be a little bit more downside before we hit that neckline. Look, we might not hit it at all. We might turn to the upside starting tomorrow. Who knows? But for this to play out like a perfect inverted head and shoulders, we would need to kiss that neckline and then turn up. Okay, so that's what I got, guys. $47.24 is the exact price projection on this very rough estimate. So take that for what it's worth. I would get out at around 47, but I wouldn't be a buyer here until we kiss this neckline and then turn up. Okay, so I'm still on the sidelines on Pfizer, and I'm waiting to touch that neckline. When it turns up, then I will buy in. If it dips below the neckline, that is going to basically invalidate this pattern, and we will need to reassess this chart from there. Okay, that's what I got for Pfizer. That is the update for this week. We're getting close to Christmas and the holidays, so if I don't put out another video before then, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I will see you after the holidays. All right, guys, have a good one, everyone.